Otu appli castorol forer. Castorol a lombinused arum di forer los antininger. Ita manioteus avel, including moisturizing dryer, taming freeze, en managing tangle. It quand also make your grosse prongé antiquerant. Trimuche mort tout juste slapping at castorolon, ove, you prepare all will determine easy to puton. Ti article will show you how to prepare all how to apply it to your hair. Gâte your supply. Applying castor oil to hair same like it might be simple, but rare affecting you could do to make it more effective and easy to apply. A list of what you will need. Castor oil, otéol, argan, avocado, coconut, jojoba, soie almond, etc., hot water, bol, jar, shoe cap, toel, old shirt, recommended. Dilute te castor oil with anoteol. Castor oil veritic, wish can make it hard to apply. Triusine par castor oil, en on par of anoteol, sucha, argan, avocado, coconut, jojoba, or soie almond. All of the are great for hair. You can also treat the following combination. 3 tablespoons castor oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Consider adding a few drop of essential oil to mask the smell. Castor oil can smell bad. If it bother you, try adding in 2 to 3 drop of a fresh smelling essential oil, sucha, rosemary, peppermint, or tea. Pour all of the oil ato as small jar en check the jar to mix everything to jete. Close the lid tightly, en check the jar for a few minutes. When you are done, take the lid off. Fill a bowl with very hot water. Make sure that bowl is large enough to fit jar. You will be warming the oil. It will make it more effective and easy to work with. Don't attend to warm the oil in the microwave. Put jar into the water, and leave it there for 2 to 4 minutes. Make sure that water level is at the same level at all. Also, make sure that no water get inside the jar, or the oil will get wet. If the water go with the oil, it won't cause the same effect, but if you want it to show it to test a moins possible, don't worry you won't go in it, then plus conditionner in your hair en juste si in the bathroom. The warmth will moisturize your hair, helps pliant, promote more growth to your haut and make your hair soft and shiny. Make sure to have a glass of water in case you start to feel it your too hot. Once the oil is warm, pour it into a small bowl. It will make it easy for you to dip your finger into when you go to apply it. Consider pouring the oil into a small bottle with and dropper. This way, you can use the dropper to just drip the oil to your scalp. Start with down, no water. This will help the oil absorb it into your hair. A quick way to dampen your hair is to fill a spray bottle with water, and spraying just your scalp. Cover your shoulder with a towel. This will protect your cloth from getting covered in oil. It may also be good to wear something you don't know carabou anymore, in case the oil drip past the towel. Dip your finger into the oil, and massage your scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. Don't use too much oil, a little bit go a long way. Use your finger to spray at the oil between your hair out and across your scalp. Massage your head with your fingertip using a small, circular motion. You can also use an eyedropper to drip the oil onto various points on your scalp. It may be easier for you, and less messy. Be sure to massage the oil into your scalp for about 5 minutes. Apply the oil to the rest of your hair. Scoop a little bit more oil onto your finger, and rub it between your palms. Then, run your hands across your hair. Use your finger to comb your hair, to help distribute the oil. Again, start with a small amount. You don't need a lot of oil. Cover your hair with a shoe capital loosely peel your hair on top of your head. If you need to, you can keep it in place with a claw clip. Slip a shoe cap over your hair. The shoe cap will trap it inside, and it will keep your hair from drying out. Vra out towel around your head and the shoe capital warm up a towel be soaking it with very hot water. twist te toel tu jetan ixs water out, ten vrait arund yurid. You kan tuktan of te toel inen de yur turban, or you kan securit uit a large air clip. Tit from te toel will make te all more effective. Ouais 30 minutes to 3 jours before washing te all out. You can also leave it on overnight, all to grill it te l'évidence ta shoti more effective. When you go to wash your hair, knota it mataka will before you jet all te all out. Some people fin ta washing will just conditionner, en skipping te shampoo, more effective en using shampoo. Use tit treatments to twist avec for best reçu. Keep in mind, ove, ta humano sans y reçu te next day. Using te castor all treatment for vehicle before moving on to something else.